All right, guys, round 5, we're on the railroad tracks here. Roll with me, huh? We're gonna head on down that way. You can tell it's down, the river is down, you can tell big time. So, last time I was down here, like 3 or 4 years ago, it was just rolling. So, that's where I came from. So let's cruise on down and head on over. We're on the 2nd battery, 5th time. It's August 27th, 2023. And we're over here at Big Willow Park in Minnetonka. And here is your, so we're in a drought. You've seen the low waters of the Mississippi, you saw those. You don't want to put your hand on that bad boy. That could be some stitches. Stop your bitching, start your snitching, quit. Start snitching, quit bitching, right? So, let's cruise on down here. Let's go. So, kind of tell over here how low it is. So you can cruise around there, horse around, walk over on the rocks. Railroad track above me. Here we are. Now we're heading back. We're gonna go over to the more of the west side. We'll see where it goes. If we get 1 minute video out of the V2, we'll be fine. We'll be at 6, so that's right here. Good. There's that train. So last time I was here, he was sitting right there, and I was interviewing that guy about anus breath. It was pretty hilarious. So we'll go back across that bridge that I started the whole series, and we'll walk along the river, and we'll see where that other one goes to, how far it goes to. And little dog up here. Gotta have them on chains, man. You never know when the dog's gonna run off. So. Big ass skinny trees. They're not the redwoods. Not that much. So we'll cruise across the bridge. Playing in the water?
A little bit.
What's your name?
This is Tater Tot.
Hi, Tater. I love tater tots. I love tater tots. Hi, Tater Tot. I got 2 dogs at home, Chloe and Coco. So, another dog. There's a little trail through there. But I'm not going through there. I'm going to go this way. So, beautiful day here in August. The last video was supposed to be 90 next week, but all in the 70s. I talked to someone today, came back from Florida. It's like, yeah, it's hot in Florida. That's why you really don't want to live there. It's too effing hot. Humidity. I get it when I go on cruises, and Tennessee's a great state because it's tax-free and you have a change of seasons. It's not too bad. Go across the bridge. It's lush as hell. So here we go. You guys saw the first video. We went that way. Big Willow. See how green it is. I mean, it's like holy moly. They do need bathrooms, shitters over here instead of way over there by the other side over there. So we go across the bridge. There's something in there. You hear a bird. So we'll go parallel the river. So you can bike over here. All kinds of critters over here. Oh my goodness. So yeah. So we're gonna go this way and then go to the right. Walk across. See where it goes. So yeah, it's in the woods, wandering around. We'll see where it goes. Dun, 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 dun. You can tell a lot of people bike. So this is the main trail. It heads over to the west side. I'll look up over there. Down, down, down. Maybe it will just be the final video, who knows? I don't know how far it goes. It goes on, but GoPro 10's a good camera. I know the 11's already. You need to have bigger compressors to be able to handle when you're videoing something. And they'd be good cameras, but so I came down over there. Maybe it'll fill that up. Somebody's gonna break an ankle. Chair for somebody. Not dedicated to anybody, but there it is. Go down there if you want. There was a lady, I think Sweet Melissa turned me on to her. She was walking the Appalachian Trail. There are people that do that, and they'll have videos long. It's kind of cool. A lot of work. This one, he died 12/10/12. Yeah. He was born in 36 and died in 2012. Peter Miles Herbert. Because there's two parking spots, the one I was at and the other one way over there off of Shady Oak Road. So I started over here and I walked that way. So like I said, I can't pronounce it again, it's just a beautiful day for walking around in any park for that matter. So we'll walk this way. I'll walk through here. See where this goes to. There's two young ladies, I've seen them before. They're sitting there BSing. So let's go through here. See where this goes. I have not been through here before. I've seen it. Go. Call it adventuring. Look at these big ass trees. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so these get hot real easy. This one's cool down a little bit, but here's a bird up there. I think it's a blue jay. I think, but so you have this with a doo 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 doo. Here's something over there. I can hear something. Can you guys hear it? I have no idea where this goes. See, I think this comes out into the area where, yeah, this comes out to the camping area, I mean the picnic area. So yeah, this is, we walk over here. Another chair down here. So you can come on up here probably and lay out a blanket and probably hang out. But yeah, it looks like the exploring. I mean, you could probably, I think it goes all the way around. So, you know, another big chair here. Not dedicated yet. So, anyways. Another chair up there on the top of the hill. So I don't know. This is kind of more wide open. And here, there's Midtown Boulevard over there. So yeah, this is probably the exploring, the end of this adventure. All right, so kind of walk up here. You got a honeycomb over here. So, anyways. So. So yeah, this kind of, if it keeps going that way, it goes to the parking spot. So, oh, maybe I have something over here. I don't know, look at this. Look at that bad boy. So anyways, we've walked, we'll see where that goes over there. So anyways, later.